Imagine a city filled with twinkling lanterns traversing the evening sky, carnival parades gliding down the streets, and futuristic gardens shining like Christmas wonder. You are in Singapore, a little island with big celebration. On this day, I will take you through 5 mind-blowing festivals, lifestyle moments, and hidden art gems that will make your Singapore journey one of the book. Stick with me until the end because number 5 is an experience of modern art that gone totally viral on social media. Let's dive right in. Number 1. The Chingay Parade, Singapore's largest street party. Visualize this. Enormous floats glowing like glowing new dragons, sleepwalkers soaring above the air, and costume performance bursting with color. What started as a small Chinese New Year celebration has grown into a multicultural spectacle featuring hip-hop dancers, traditional drummers, and even LED lion dancers. Tip: grab a spot along the parade route early because when those cannons goes off, you feel like you are living inside a living firework. Then, on the 9th of August, we celebrate Singapore National Day. Imagine the Marina Bay skyline, already futuristic, erupting with fireworks, reflecting off the water. Locals fill picnic blankets, the air rings out with music, and the city lights cast a brightness that's near movie magic. Tip: head to the Helix Bridge or Esplanade Roof Terrace for free panoramic view without the crowds. Now, let's talk about romance and magic. During the Mid-Autumn Lantern Festival, Garden by the Bay transformed into a glowing wonderland. Picture super trees wrapped in thousands of lanterns, glowing lotus installations floating on water, and mooncakes so pretty you hesitate to eat them. It's not just Insta-worthy, it's a cultural celebrations of reunion and wishes for good fortune. Bring a loved one and write your own lantern wish. Fast forward to December, and the same gardens become a Christmas wonderland. European festive market cross with Singapore cutting-edge design, blinding light harness, magical snow, and gigantic shiny bubbles that reach higher than you. Even if you're not a Christmas enthusiast, the hot chocolate stores and carnival rides will transport you back to childhood. Lastly, the Singapore Biennale, an artist and curious nomad secret gem. This is where you discover interactive display that wrap reality, massive art sculpture that you can stroll through, AI powered light display. International artists bring mind-blending works that question the way we envision the future of art. Tip: take a look at the satellite venues dotted around the heritage buildings for surprising free entry treats. Such an incredible 5 Singapore experience that go beyond the usual tourist bucket list. From racing for fireworks, glowing lanterns, and viral street art, Singapore proves that the smallest of cities can throw the biggest parties. What festivals would you like to experience first? Let me know in the comments below. I read every one of them. If you enjoy this explanation, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes and festival fun from the world. Until next time, keep traveling, keep festing.